I also want to say something about the ganja industry. This industry can assist in the economic recovery of Jamaica, providing much needed foreign exchange and creating employment. Our reform in 2015 to the Dangerous Drugs Act was transformational. It decriminalized personal possession and use of ganja, thereby reducing arrests and prosecutions by over 10,000 Jamaicans per year. It recognized Rastafari and their sacramental rights to cultivate and use ganja for the first time in any Jamaican legislation. It also created a platform on which a new medical cannabis industry could be built and is being built. That was back in 2015, Madam Speaker. It is now time to go further. We will take the law relating to the lawful cannabis industry out of the Dangerous Drugs Act altogether. We will ensure inclusion of small farmers who are now effectively excluded from the lawful industry. We will reduce barriers to entry for them and support them by encouraging cooperatives that are linked to well-capitalized processors, supplying small farmers with the best inputs and technology to grow and sell back high quality and safe medical ganja at fair prices. Since 2015, households have had the right to grow up to 5 plants of ganja for medicinal, therapeutic or even horticultural purposes. We will empower householders to monetize this benefit by allowing them to sell their ganja to licensed processors and retailers, creating an important new economic opportunity to supplement the income of Jamaican households. We will also promulgate new regulations to enable the Rastafari community to reap economic benefits from the cultivation and use of their sacramental herb. The law already allows the Minister of Justice to make these regulations, but it still has not happened. You just lack imagination, Minister, that's the problem. The PNP pioneered ganja reform in 2015. We are fully committed with the necessary knowledge and skills to make the industry work for the empowerment and enrichment of ordinary Jamaicans.